Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios at jessicalynoriginal.com. And again, I've really been trying to bring more crafting to our channel. I primarily do cards and card making. I am the owner and artist, so I draw a lot of the images that you see, almost probably 99% of them. And I absolutely love doing it. So thank you for joining us. I thought it would be fun to bring, again, a little bit more Disney home for Christmas. And we are Nightmare Before Christmas fans, and so we are going to make the monster wreath. Now what's kind of fun about this one is he kind of has a dual purpose, right? He could be a Halloween slash Christmas kind of thing. So we started by buying a wreath that was already ready to go. It said the price on there was $10. Hobby Lobby offers discounts all the time, and I think we paid actually only like $5 for it. The ribbon, you can find that at Joann's, again, or Hobby Lobby. Most of the time it's been about 50% off. You will need some foam. You'll need white, black, and yellow for this project. And the foam we bought, we actually got it at Joann's. They had a sale on it, so we thought, well, that'll work. What I decided to do was start with the teeth. Now, I do have the help of my husband today. He is our project man, if you will. I love making the cards, doing the art, drawing. He loves the actual crafting projects, so I love incorporating my family in on these as well. So the first thing we do is I design the teeth. So the teeth, it's a half a circle with a lot of sharp teeth. Now, I didn't make them pointy. I rounded them off a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and cut the foam for the teeth. And you need to cut upper teeth and lower teeth. Out of the yellow, you're going to want to go ahead and cut out the eyeballs. And then you're also going to be cutting, obviously, the circles. And those are going to be white and black. So we'll go ahead and get everything all cut out, and then we will start to assemble this adorable monster wreath. Now I went ahead and pulled a photo of the monster, and his bow is this black and white checker. And the way the bow looks on him, it's two like thinner ribbons put together. But again, if you are really great at putting bows together, I mean, you can make one bigger bow. I mean, it's really up to you, you know. I went ahead and did double bows, and then we glued them together. So we put the first one on, and then we glued the other one to give it more dimension. But honestly, I mean, I think one bigger bow would be beautiful as well. Really just depends on your skills and what you're comfortable with. Again, there's more teeth we got to cut out. There's the top ones, so grr, teeth. You can see kind of just how they're going to lay in there. And again, just make sure that the size that you made, that the teeth are proportional to your wreath, because otherwise that'll look weird if his teeth are way too small. And I think those are going to look pretty good. And again, it was just a half a circle. And then we drew those teeth. And you can do it with paper first and maybe do what they call a mock-up, where you kind of run through and test it. And just go until you get the right size that you feel really comfortable with. Now, if you're building this project with your kids, I would highly encourage that you're the one who does the gluing with the hot glue. My husband was burned a couple of small times, nothing major, obviously. But, you know, if you've got kids, it could really hurt them. So you want to be as cautious as possible. And it's so funny, we recorded this video, and this was the last project that the glue gun got to be in. And we ended up getting a new one. And did you know that they now have wireless glue guns? I mean, that's crazy to me. Like, I'm so used to having to dealing with a cord that's entirely too short while you're crafting. So that was his exciting Christmas present to himself, is that he now owns a wireless hot glue gun. So it's funny to see the video. To do the skull that you see in here, we're going to do the same thing, just like what we did with the teeth, right? So we're going to go ahead and cut it out, and you can see there's little black eyes and nose. Super easy to do. And you can see we're going to add that second bow right on top. But again, if you are a master of bows, and I know a lot of women that are, I am not, you know, make one big bow. It'd be just as beautiful. We just tried to make it look like the other one. Now you can see I went ahead and cut out that skull. Let me just move the camera. There you go, so you can get an idea. So cute. It doesn't have to be 100% accurate. It doesn't. Here's the thing. This would be so much fun with your family. Your kids could help you with this. Now I'll warn you, when you have the kids do this one, a little bit of OCD mom starts to come out. At least it did for me, so that's why my husband and I are building this one. But you can see I went and searched like a wreath idea, and I went and looked because the original did not have a red bow, so that's why we opted for the movie authentic pattern. But we're gonna go ahead and glue those eyes, and again, just be cautious. Hot glue guns, super hot. Don't want to get hurt. Maybe we'll have to do a video and show you the new wireless glue gun. It's crazy. It just feels like night and day. So while he's working on this, I just want to say thank you again for watching our video. My name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a little red button on the right-hand side, little subscribe button. Go ahead and take care of that. Then you don't have to worry about it later. Go ahead and like this video and then share it out. We love having, you know, inspiring and having people come and visit our channel. We also own the Jessica Lynn Original website, where I have all of my stamps, my art, and coming very soon, something on this channel I'm so excited to share. We are going to be showing you my illustration process. I've been working on the videos. I have been working on an About Us. So I have a ton of stuff coming. So if you're inspired by small business, you know, artist owner kind of thing, if you love stamps, if you love crafts, sewing, whatever, all of it, I love it too. And I would love to have you here. So don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, comment down below. I love talking with you guys too. So if you respond down below appropriately, I will respond as well. I would love to talk with you. So again, you can see we're just building all of these little pieces, getting everything together. And I will tell you, we've hung this up already. It's so cool. It's so cool. I love it. I like Nightmare Before Christmas. A lot of people are very passionate and love Nightmare Before Christmas. And there are pieces of it that I absolutely love. Like, I love this wreath. I actually have it on a t-shirt. There's an amazing company down in Orlando that made the coolest Christmas shirt ever. And I'll link it down below so you can take a look at it. But I love their shirt. They've got him in it. And so I knew for Christmas I had to have him. So again, we're just going to glue those teeth in. And we're doing it from the back because we don't want the teeth to be sitting on the front. You know, think about like with your gums. You know, you don't want it to look like that. You want the teeth on the back. And so we're going to glue it really well on the back so the teeth will come forward. We'll do that for both the top and the bottom. All right, so let's take a look. Those teeth look good. Let's go ahead and add that adorable little skeleton down to the bow. I just love it. I think it's so cool. Ugh, it's so much fun. I love this. Look at that. Now the eyes are just, I just put them on there so that we could see how they would sit. Again, just like everything else, do a layout. Make sure you love it before you commit to it. Now, one of the things that we thought was really cool is that we actually glued the eyeballs to a branch. So when we store it, you know, if for some reason it gets flattened or whatever, it doesn't matter. We can readjust the eyeballs where we think they need to be because it'll be permanently glued to the branch, if that makes sense. So, again, super easy project. I mean, I'll be honest, if you work at craft fairs, I bet you can make a ton of these and probably make a killing. Because these are just, they're so cute and so easy to make. Well, there he is. He is so beautiful. I love this, and what an easy project. You know, I hope that it inspired you to go and add a little bit of Nightmare Before Christmas to your home. And again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jessica Lynn, again, the owner of Jessica Lynn Original Studios at jessicalynoriginal.com. Be sure to go ahead, subscribe to our video. I have got a ton of Christmas content coming because I'm expanding part of my channel here to have crafting, card making, and more. So thank you again. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a very, very happy holidays. Take care.